This screen is intended for the main system administrator, or admin, only. In this video, we will explain the screen shown in front of you and how to use it step by step. This company setup module is the primary engine of Hinawi ERP. Before adding any employees to the system, you must establish your core profiles, payroll rules, and organizational hierarchies right here. Completing these baseline settings correctly from day one prevents data cascading errors in your daily operations down the line. Let's start with the Company Information tab. This section captures your legal and contact details. Notice the company name and group name fields. Any field marked with an asterisk is mandatory, and you must enter the company name in English. You will also see Arabic text fields. Filling these out is only required if you intend to run the software interface in Arabic. Next, look at the location data. If you need to instantly add a new location or item to any drop-down list in the system, simply press the F2 key on your keyboard. In the bottom left, there is a specific checkbox regarding teacher info. You should only check this box if your business operates in the education sector. By completing this first tab, you secure the structural and legal identity of your company within the ERP's database. Moving to the General Settings tab, we establish the chronological boundaries for your financial data. Notice the company start business date and first salary sheet fields. There is a strict chronological rule applied here. For example, if you set the business start date to January 2010, but your payroll in Hinawi starts in January 2024, the system will prevent you from generating any salary sheets before 2024. Below the dates, we have the Department Setup Grid, which defines your company's organizational levels. By checking specific boxes here, such as department or position, you activate those organizational tiers. This allows you to precisely categorize your employees later. Panning down, you will find the printing options. These selections dictate whether your official reports print on plain paper or on official company letterhead, and they also control your logo placement. These settings act as the architectural blueprint for both your company's timeline and its reporting hierarchy. Now look at the Company Policy tab. At the top, you will see toggles for regional compliance, including taxes and WPS, which stands for Wage Protection System, along with parameters for legal employment ages. Disabling taxes, or WPS, simplifies the interface by hiding those specific menus. Meanwhile, setting the age parameters strictly prevents the system from accepting illegally aged workers. Directing our attention to the large central grid, this is where you configure payment modes for various HR activities. There are two primary payment modes to understand. First is Pay Through Salary Sheet. Selecting Yes in this column means the money is automatically calculated and added or deducted directly on the employee's standard monthly payslip. The second mode is the Payment Voucher. Selecting Yes here means the item is handled as a totally isolated, separate financial transaction, similar to writing an independent check. It is also important to understand how employee types affect these payments. HR employees receive automatic salary generation based on the salary sheet. Timesheets employees, however, require manual data entry on their timesheets before any payment is triggered. This grid operates as the brain of your payroll system. Configuring it correctly ensures your financial compensation is seamless and automated. Transitioning to the README tab, focus immediately on the red note section at the bottom. There is a critical operational rule here. Once any activity or transaction is marked as approved in the system, it becomes permanently locked and cannot be changed. Because of this strict lock-in, you must finalize and verify all company policies on these setup screens before you execute any daily operational approvals. While this rule is strict, it acts as the ultimate safeguard to protect the unalterable integrity of your company's financial data. Returning to a global view of the setup screen, you are now ready to finalize your configuration. Look for the Save and Close button at the very bottom center of the window. Clicking Save and Close officially sets your company profile live, preparing the system to run according to your specific business rules. As a final reminder, guard your admin password fiercely. The person who holds this password controls the foundational rules of the entire ERP ecosystem. If you need advanced technical support or consultation to complete your setup, please reach out to our team using the contact information on the screen.